the boiling point of a solution is more than that of solvent, right? এটা লিখ by why these things, explain. So see the explanation now. Okay, just take this graph. একটা গ্রাফ আমরা ট্রাই করি ড্র করতে. So here you see this y axis is vapor pressure and x axis is temperature. Okay, this way temperature is increasing. So this is a liquid, okay, pure liquid, right? So it is there. Now at certain temperature, suppose at certain temperature here, this, you just listen it carefully. At certain temperature, say some vapors are there, okay, so that vapor will have some vapor pressure, is not it? Suppose it is having vapor pressure is this area, okay, this point. So if we draw a perpendicular, then it is coming here, right? Now this is pure solvent. If we increase the temperature, then what will happen? Vapor pressure is also increasing. If we increase vapor pressure, suppose vapor pressure is coming here. If we increase further temperature, vapor pressure is coming here. Okay, in this way it is increasing. So this is found that this graph, this relationship follows like this. It is, the graph is like this. It is increasing like this, like this. And suppose at this temperature, the liquid boils, completely boiling starts. Okay, vapor pressure, it is, suppose vapor pressure is here, it is 1 atm. At 1 atm temperature, this liquid completely boils. So this temperature and this particular temperature, we call it is the boiling point of this particular liquid. Okay, so it is what we say, this graph is like this, it is following this curve. Now if we add some solute here, suppose we have added some solute, non-volatile solute, okay, then what will happen? This non-volatile solute, it will not allow liquid molecule to go into the vapor state so easily, okay, this solute. As a result, what will happen? Vapor pressure at this temperature will be less than here, it will be less, right? So এখানে কি হবো? ভেপার প্রেসারটা একটু কমবো, say the region is this, okay, vapor pressure is less. Then we increase the temperature, vapor pressure will come here. We increase further temperature, vapor pressure will come here. Increase further temperature, vapor pressure will come here, like this. So this will follow, ওই জায়গাতে এই গ্রাফটা এইরকম ভাবে ফলো করব, okay, and this point now we can consider it is here. So আগে আমরা কি পাইছি দেখো, earlier solvent, this is for solvent, pure solvent, okay, and this is for solution, right? So this point suppose this is T1 and this point, suppose this is T2, right? So here you see এই পয়েন্টটা যেটা, this there is a difference. Now this is the boiling point of pure solvent and this is boiling point of solution. So you see, on addition of solute, boiling point, boiling temperature যেটা একটু বাড়ি গেছে, it has been increased a little because এটার atmospheric pressure যেতে গেলে whatever vapor pressure is required, it require more number of vapors should be there. So you see, boiling point increases on addition of solute molecules. Everybody listening? শোনা যায়নি?